Wednesday, 28th April 2021, we have a small gap up of 0.4% in Bank Nifty and Nifty 0.39. Usually they are not on the same side of increase, but then that's what it is today. We have around 20 seconds left for the market to open. I'm planning to go on futures today, so I have the futures chart open, marked on the futures chart. So I'll be trading mostly futures today. Let us see how that goes. This is just to test how the futures does for me, and it started. Let's see. Okay. So my thought with respect to the market today is bullish. That is what I am thinking. Since it's gapped up. Let's see. Might have to adjust that line right there back to here. Okay, there's clearly something wrong with the zero. No, never mind. It was me. Okay, so market looks good. Can I get a nice flag pattern and then continue going up? Yeah. Okay. So we bought it right about here. The thing with futures is that with a small change, you can get a big difference with respect to the number. You can just see how these numbers are changing. It's very strong. So we're on the positive side. That's a good sign. Let's see. Not for too long though. I don't have the strength. I don't have the strength to see that this is going down. Okay, I'm going to be out of it. So the charge with futures is around 200 rupees per trade. So it's quite expensive already. क्या है मूड आज मार्केट का? Not getting the confidence, guys. Not getting the confidence. I'd rather exit again. Again, with futures is that we have huge wicks being formed. So it's never with futures that you'll get a real number. You cannot trade easily with futures. It's usually the wicks will take you out. Will make you feel very, very nervous because the trading level, every candle will have a huge wick, although you might not be able to see it in. Okay, I'm gonna be out of that. There you go, you see that It's a huge loss. All right. I like this flag pattern. Some nice design and then continue to shoot up after that. I would like to see that. But I strongly feel it is. Now again, I took the trade as per the gut feeling. I normally shouldn't have, but then I see a small flag pattern and it is shooting towards the upside. So again, there might be a resistance here. There might be a little bit of a pushback over here. Let's see. And if it does push back, then I'll have to be out of the trade. But as of now, since the market looks bullish, I might hold it just for a little longer. Let's see. Or should I be out with this? No. You can see even if I'm seeing a big red here, the numbers are still on the positive side, which is interesting, which suggests until unless this drops massively, it drops down, then people might lose control and say, okay, I'm going to start selling from here. But then the mindset of the people is that, okay, it has touched 9 EMA, it might go back up right now. That's why this kind of crazy fluctuation. There you go. In a very short time, we get to know what it is. Okay, I'm just gonna take that out right now. Wow. See, just a small change, small timing difference. Okay. Okay, let me see. We have 4 quantity. If it crosses that, well and good. We are holding that position. Let's see. And we are out. Okay. If it gives me a flag pattern, then we are out of it. I mean, we will be in it again. Well, I have one more trade to go. I have one more trade to go. So far with futures, it's been a little difficult to scalp. Just a little difficult to scalp. Probably because I'm looking at the futures chart directly, and it has like quite long wicks. Probably that's why. You can see. Okay, so 33,000. We are back on the same number, CE. Okay, can I expect it to break that? If it's gonna break, let's hold it right there. Now, although it is showing red, the value is not decreasing that easily. That means people are expecting it to go up. I can expect it to come back to 9 EMA, take another trade again from there, and go back up. Or maybe not. Yeah, that's going down. And because there was no trade and I was losing, but I got a quick scalp on this particular candle and I got in and I got out with a positive number. I didn't want to overtrade. I didn't want to risk it. Maybe I'll trade at 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock if I find something as a very good pattern, then fine. Very nice flat patterns and it has gone up. Right now, I don't want to overtrade and then lose a lot of money. So let's see. At 14,700, I'm expecting it to go a little higher than that and cross this. And if it crosses this, then we are in a good trade. It made a small flat pattern. It tried to sell off. It didn't work out much. Then after that, buyers came in, and now they are pushing the market up. Let's see if this really crosses this level, and this is my target basically. And if it continues to cross with good good buying power, then we are in for a good trade. Else I'll have to be out in no time to save whatever I have earned. Otherwise I'll not even get my brokerage. Right, there it is. Very good, very nice. I'm not seeing the numbers change very fast. That's not a good sign. Can I get a bit of sell-off right there? Yes. Okay. Can I cross and go? Break the boundary. Very nice. Okay. Okay. There you go. We are in for something right now. I'm holding this trade for too long. I'm not supposed to hold it for this long. But then I'm seeing it go up. Very good. Very nice. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. There it is. Good enough. Oh, good enough. And I got a little disappointed with this. Then again with another minus. Then I had to convert it to plus. Then there was a good big move. I was having a lot of hope on futures. That sort of didn't work out. So emotionally I was a little set back. It didn't help out much. And I have already done 8 trades. So I am done for the day. I am happy with the amount. If this covers my brokerage right now, that's all I'm looking at. It's okay. Tomorrow again there will be market, again there will be movement, again I'll be able to trade. But for today I am calling it off. This is what I'm going to do today. All right, thanks.